QuitNow is excited to announce the launch of the new Referral portal. This new system was built to make the referral process easier, faster, and more secure for you and your clients who are seeking support to quit or reduce tobacco and nicotine. It responds directly to feedback we've heard from providers across the province for a streamlined referral process with outcome updates on patients. How to create an account. First, select your organization or select others to add yours. If you belong to BC Cancer, please note that we have 2 organization types. Then select your agent type. Create a new account with your selected email. You will receive all of our communications there, and you can start draft referrals right away. For security reasons, we will approve your account to send your referrals to our team. You will receive an email informing you that the account has been approved and your referrals will be sent. This process may take from 1 day to a week. All referrals are sent to our coaches after midnight on the day they are created. How to refer a patient. In your dashboard, click on Create a Referral button or Refer a Client in the lateral menu. Add the patient information in the form below. If you refer a client to be contacted by phone, they will receive a call from one of our coaches. If it's only online, we will send the information to the patient via email. Finally, you will see different consents from the patient. Please make sure to get the consents that apply to your patient. Then submit your referral, and our team will process it and contact the patient in the following days. You can also visit your referral list to see the outcomes, like if they signed up online, if they're unable to be contacted, etc. You can also add notes to your referrals. The notes are not visible to our coaches. They are private and only for your follow-up. Explore the platform for a wide range of provider resources. You will also find latest training opportunities and upcoming webinars. For more information about QuitNow, visit quitnow.ca.